Int. Living Room Day. Narrator, VO. Welcome to Fun with Science. Today, we're going to explore some simple yet mind-blowing experiments that you can try at home. Experiment 1. Rainbow Milk. Int. Kitchen Day. Narrator, VO. For this experiment, you'll need a shallow dish, whole milk, food coloring, and dish soap. Pour enough milk to cover the bottom of the dish. Add drops of various food coloring to the milk. Dip a cotton swab in dish soap and touch it to the milk surface. Watch as the colors swirl and dance in a mesmerizing display. Experiment 2. Vinegar and baking soda volcano. Ext. Backyard Day. Narrator, VO. Prepare to create a volcanic eruption in your backyard. Build a small mound of dirt to resemble a volcano. Place an empty plastic bottle, open end up, at the volcano's peak. Mix vinegar and baking soda in the bottle for a fizzy reaction. Get ready for a bubbly eruption that mimics a real volcano. Experiment 3. Static electricity with balloons. Int. Child's Bedroom Day. Narrator, VO. This experiment explores the magic of static electricity. Inflate a balloon and tie it. Rub the balloon against a fabric surface like your hair or a woolen blanket. Watch in amazement as the balloon attracts small objects like paper bits or even your hair. Experiment 4. Sink or float. Int. Bathroom Day. Narrator, VO. Discover why some objects sink while others float. Fill a basin with water. Gather various objects like a rubber ball, a metal spoon, and a plastic toy. Predict whether each object will sink or float, then test your predictions. Explore the concept of density as you witness the objects either sinking or floating. Experiment 5. Egg in a bottle. Int. Kitchen Day. Narrator, VO. Prepare to see an egg defy gravity. Boil an egg and peel it. Light a piece of paper on fire and drop it into a glass bottle. Quickly place the boiled egg on top of the bottle. Watch as the egg gets sucked into the bottle due to the change in air pressure. Narrator, VO. These simple experiments showcase the wonders of science in action. Remember, science is all around us, waiting to be explored. Have fun experimenting and keep your curiosity alive.